Earnings that we're expecting today, I think. We have IT sector that's going to be in focus. TCS is going to be reporting its numbers, its third quarter numbers. Reema, what can we expect there?
Well, don't expect too much. Q3 is a seasonally weak quarter. We have fewer billing days. And plus, the dollar appreciation against most of the other currencies will create cross-currency headwinds. So we're working with a dollar revenue growth, which is largely flat. In constant currency terms, it will be a growth of 1 to 1.5%. Margins at 26% will be flat quarter on quarter at the lower end of the company's guided band of 26 to 28%. And that will drive profits to be lower by 1.5% according to our poll. The management is already guided for Q3 and better than usual, and that's because that 180 crore India contract got deferred from Q2 to Q3, so it will come in for revenue recognition now. TCS is an IT bellwether. It will be the first to flag off their earnings, so we will get a sense of the macro outlook from them. CEO Chandra had called Q2 a very unusual second quarter for TCS last time around. The two sectors where we want to see a recovery, one will be BFSI and the other one is retail. Both of them had slowed down quite significantly. An uptick or some momentum in digital will be closely tracked because digital growth had slowed down to only 1.5% in Q2. Trump policies on immigration has created a lot of anxiety, and because of that, our clients holding back on any of their spending will also be tracked. The street is hoping for a cyclical uptick in the BFSI vertical because US financial companies seem to be doing well. Rising rates is positive for the banking system. So will that be something which could be a cyclical uptick in F518? Will be tracked closely. The big picture is F518 going to be a better year for TCS compared to F517, and will they be able to hold on to their margins? In terms of the stock performance, TCS has actually outperformed an Infosys in the last 3 months.
All right, Reema, but